Most faceless channels don't fail because they don't post enough. They fail because they post the wrong videos, over and over. Consistency is not growth. Consistency just makes YouTube more confident about who to show your video or channel to. If you're consistently confusing the algorithm, YouTube will consistently ignore your channel. Here's the lie you've been sold. Just keep uploading, and the algorithm will figure it out. That is just wrong. In fact, the algorithm doesn't figure you out at all. It figures out your audience. And if every video attracts a different type of person, YouTube can't build a profile. No profile means no distribution. No distribution means no views. So when someone posts every day, but their topics jump from AI tools, to side hustles, to motivational quotes, to random tutorials, they're training YouTube to think, I have no idea who this channel is for. And a channel with no audience identity doesn't get recommended. Now here's the part that hurts creators. Most people use consistency to avoid thinking. It feels productive to upload. It feels like progress. But growth doesn't come from activity. It comes from alignment. Alignment between what the video promises, who clicks, who watches, and who stays. If those four don't match, posting more just makes the mismatch louder. That's why some channels post once a week and explode, while others post daily and go nowhere. The fast-growing channels aren't more consistent. They're just more deliberate and focused. They know who they're for, what problem they solve, and what each video is supposed to train the algorithm to do. Every upload teaches YouTube something. Most creators teach it chaos. The smart ones teach it precision. In the next video, I'll show you why some videos still get clicks, even when a channel is small. And I'll also show you how to make sure that your next upload doesn't get buried. Watch the next video here, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest.